So, Ma'am Emily, before diving tayo, meron po tayong briefing. May tatlong part po. Una, briefing. And then after briefing, shallow water practice. And then tapos ng shallow water, kung comfortable ka na, so we going to diving spot.